Hi, White Cat. What's your favorite food?
Oh, hi, Black Dog. I love fish. It's so delicious. How about you?
I like bones, but I also enjoy meat. Steak is my favorite.
Steak. That sounds fancy. Do you eat vegetables too?
Sometimes, but I prefer meat. Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I like carrots and spinach. They're good for my fur.
Maybe I should try carrots. Are they yummy?
They're crunchy and sweet. You might like them.
Alright, I'll give them a try. Do you ever eat snacks?
Of course. I love cat treats. What about you?
I love dog biscuits. They're so yummy. Maybe we should try each other's snacks someday.
Haha, maybe. But for now, let's enjoy our own favorites.
Hey, White Cat. You didn't eat your fish. Why not?
I'm just not hungry right now. But I think I ate too much earlier. What about you? Why aren't you eating your steak?
Oh, I'm saving it for later. Sometimes it tastes better when I'm really hungry. Good idea. Food tastes best when you're in the mood for it.